Champignon sauce. For this sauce we need champignons, onions, cream, butter, rosemary, black pepper, oregano leaves, sea salt, olive oil and white wine. Cut mushrooms. Pour into the dish. Cut onions. Open wine and pour into a glass. Put the pan on the fire and add olive oil. Pour onion. Fry and stir. Add mushrooms. Mix well. Add some water and oregano leaves, rosemary and mix it. Sea salt, black pepper, cover with the lid. Cook it couple of minutes. Add wine and cream. Keep on fire until the wine evaporates. Add butter. Mix well. Put on a dish piece of bread and serve mushroom sauce. Enjoy it! Bon appétit!